Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and in this video, I'm going to do a quick review for click domination. Now, before I get started, in order to get your attention, I just want to show you that this product shows how you can generate conversions up to $170 worth of conversions and regular conversions using Google Ads. So this is an amazing product, and this is an amazing training. And before we move forward, let me just quickly jump on and show you the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you decide to buy the front end for $12.95. Okay. So if you buy the front end, you will receive the following bonuses as given below. So bonus number one, I'm giving away one of my done for you high converting survey offer list building plus CPA funnel. Using this, you will be able to build your list and also promote survey offers, okay, using Google Ads and Bing Ads. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you a high converting CPA messenger marketing case study for Max Bounty. Bonus number three is I will help you build your first Google Ads campaign using the methods given in this training. So this bonus is only for the first 20 buyers. So if you're watching this, please make sure you quickly buy it as soon as you're done watching this video. Now, that being said, if you decide to buy the Upsell 1 and the Upsell 2, then you will get my special bonuses below. Special bonus 1, I will provide you my 30 days of one-on-one Skype support to help you implement this training via one-on-one live Skype calls. So this will be a exclusive training only for click domination customers, and I will help you in applying and implementing the training course on your workstation. Now, the click domination course. Now, special bonus 2 is you will get access to my private in-house CPA network. Special bonus 3 is you will get access to some high converting private CPA offers in our CPA network. Special bonus 4 is you will get access to the exact traffic sources that can help you get conversion on those offers while building a list. Special bonus number 5 is you will get access to my 7 Income Streams Academy, where I will reveal my multiple income streams that generate me passive income. Now, please note, you have to buy, to get these special bonuses, you have to buy, again, you have to buy the front end for $13 and the Upsell 1 plus the Upsell 2. Okay. Now, just a quick note, basically what is the front end offer? The front end offer costs $12.95, around $13 in total, to be rounded off. You're going to get a full video course, 100% with high quality videos. Now, this is the video course. Basically, this tells you how you can generate super targeted traffic to the exact offers, exact CPA offers using Google Ads. You're going to see the exact detailed case study. You're going to see the exact landing page, the keyword research and selection. You're going to understand how to use the offers and rotators to promote multiple offers in a single funnel. You're going to understand how to build the campaign. You're going to understand how to optimize the campaign so that you can reduce your traffic ad cost. You will also understand the email marketing for backend sales. Apart from that, you're also getting an exclusive pre-launch bonus where this person spent $800 ad spend and was able to make $4,000 revenue in course sales. So now that being said, this is the front end. This is what you'll get in the front end. That is for $12.95. Now, what is Upsell 1? Upsell 1 is a live done for you campaign where the vendor will set the date and the time for you and let you know when this goes live. The vendor will build the campaign for you on a live call and hand it over to you. So again, just a quick note, this is a great deal for getting a proven working done for you Google Ads campaign created by the vendor. Now, what is Upsell number 2? Now, this was Upsell number 1. To get my special bonuses, you have to buy the Upsell number 1 and the Upsell number 2. As I mentioned here, the special bonuses. Okay, if you want to get these special bonuses, you have to buy the Upsell number 1 and the Upsell number 2. Now, coming back to Upsell number 2, Upsell number 2 actually costs $67 and Upsell number 1 costs $27. Now, what is Upsell number 2? Upsell number 2 is something that is called PPC kit. This usually sells at $97 a month. This is a special software used by thousands of top affiliates to create a powerful combination of winning set of Google ads in a very less time. So basically, this software usually sells for $97 per month, but as a special deal on this launch, you will get it for $67 as a one-time payment. Now, that being said, let me quickly show you what you can do with this. So basically, you can create 1,307 ad groups and a total of 11,763 ads with this particular cloud-based software. Now, I'm pretty sure you can understand creating 11,000 ads is not possible, manually possible by any person, but this software will help you do that. So let's quickly jump in to this software and let me show you how this software works. So basically, this is how the dashboard will look like for this software. It is called PPC Kit. It is built by David Caesar. Now, in this software, you simply see this dashboard with where you can create campaigns again. So let me quickly jump on to the next slide here. Now, here you can just click the create button and you will be taken to the campaigns tab. Here you will enter your campaign name, your location, whatever it is, United States, UK, or whatever. You're going to add your landing page link here, and then you will simply add your keywords. You will paste your keywords that you basically researched by watching the training course in this particular training, click Domination training, and then you will add any negative keywords. Let's say if you have any negative keywords, all the training is there on how to do all of this stuff, how to research the keywords and all that. Then you will simply decide on what particular match types you want to move forward with, and you can also create the SCAD match type, that is single keyword ad groups. Now, after doing that, you decide your initial bid, your daily budget, and the bid strategy. Now, after that, you can basically create your variation number one of the ad, and then you simply can create the you can just click add new variation, and you can click another variation number two of the ad, where you just change the first word, that is in this case it's free, you just change this word with download, and then you can create another variation number three, and you can change the word, and then you can simply scroll down and create the dynamic versions of your ad. So here you just have to select this box, and the third box. Once you do that, you will be taken to step 5, where you will simply click create campaign, and you will be able to export this campaign. Once you export it, you will be able to download, you will get an email where you will be able to download this campaign in CSV file, and then you can upload it to your Google Ads campaign editor. Now, after you've done that, you will be able, now in this example, basically, David Caesar created almost 1,307 ad groups using this particular software, and he was able to create around 3,900 using, he was able to, create the variations using 3,921 keywords, and he was able to create 11,763 ads. Now, that being said, this particular software can creates agency grade ad campaigns even if you are a newbie. No technical experience or special knowledge is needed. The step-by-step wizard will guide you through creating agency grade campaigns in seconds. So again, this will automatically generate properly structured single keyword ad group campaigns based on search engines best practices. PPC Kit is built with Google and Bing's best practices in mind to ensure your campaign structure is set up exactly the way it should be, to ensure your campaigns have the highest degree of relevancy between the original search term, the ad, and the landing page. Now, PPC Kit is tailored for Google Ads and Bing Ads. After following our simple step-by-step campaign wizard, you can easily export your pay-per-click campaign to Google Ads or Bing Ads when you're ready to launch. Now, we'll show you how to do this in our video tutorial section. Now, these are some testimonials by the users, where this user Jonathan says the PPC Kit platform is by far one of the easiest pay-per-click solutions on the market. Well-structured campaigns are very quick to make. It's like having an agency in a box. Again, Jeff says here, I'm always looking for ways to speed up the daunting process of making properly structured Google ads I'm very excited to be utilizing PPC Kit because in just a few clicks, I can create a very complex campaign that would have taken a week. Now I can spend time on building my business. Using PPC Kit is like having another specialist on the team, allowing me to build out and test several campaigns incredibly quickly. It means I can invest in success and achieve greater return on my ad spend, said by Kevin. Now, PPC Kit helps you automate the most time consuming tasks when it comes to building properly structured PPC campaigns. Using this, you can dynamically generate hundreds of targeted PPC ads for each ad group to achieve high click-through rates and conversions. You can instantly add negative keywords to your campaigns on the fly, so you're not wasting money on keywords that will never produce a result for you. You're going to get step-by-step training. You'll get access to a detailed training and resources that show you exactly how to succeed with PPC Kit. And you will also get access to the customer service team, which is always available to answer any questions you have. Now, who is PPC Kit for? It's for PPC consultants. So you can do consultancy using the software. It's for marketing agencies. It's for startups. And um, the best part is you can take advantage of this exclusive launch discount and special bonuses. The PPC Kit has been made extremely affordable for everyone, whether you're a small business owner, affiliate marketer, marketing manager, or an agency. The PPC Kit platform is catered to suit your needs for a limited time only. You can get started for just $67. As I said, the normal price will rise to $97 per month, so you can get started now. When this special offer is closed, the price will go up. So please note, you will be logged in at this low price for as long as you actively maintain your license. Now, that being said, make sure you get this software. Now, let me do a quick review of the bonuses that you're getting so that you don't miss out on this. Again, as I said, you are going to get these bonuses. If you buy the front end offer, you can pause this video and see these bonuses, and you are going to get the special bonuses if you decide to buy the upsell one and the upsell two. So if you decide to get all these bonuses, then your cost would be $13 plus $27 plus $67. So for less than I believe for a very less price, you will get some amazing support from me and the vendor. So that being said, this is where I would like to end this review. If you have any questions, you can always send me a direct message on Facebook, or you can just contact me via email. So thank you for watching this video, and take care. See you on the inside. Make sure you purchase this software if you are watching this review, because this software is amazing, and this is the only thing that I'm promoting right now, because this is something that is affordable for everyone, and you will get some amazing value in this particular training, and you will be able to generate results as well. Thank you. This is Shabbir Khan. Have a great day ahead. See you on the inside.